Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we got a package from G1 and we're gonna be unboxing it and seeing what's inside of it. But before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know I do have a discount code for G1. It is Daily Dose of Fidgets. I'll write on the screen. You can get 10% off your entire order when you use my code at checkout. So yeah, go ahead and check out their website, browse on it, see what you like, and yeah. I have no idea what's going to be inside of this, but we're going to find out together. But yeah, also, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you are. I have a lot of crazy unboxings coming soon, and you guys don't want to miss those, so subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, leave a like, leave a comment, all that stuff. And yeah, let's get right into it. Like, I actually don't have any idea what's inside of this thing. Don't want to show my side where I have the address on it. Alright. Okay, there's a slip. Let's check that out. That's something. That's something. And then that's something. Alright. I'm gonna leave this for the next video. And I'm gonna unbox whatever this is. So, it says G1. I have no idea what any of that says, but I am gonna get into it. So we got a pouch. Let's open that first. I think I actually have one of these already. I don't know where it is. I think it's in my closet. It's pretty nice. It says G1 here. I didn't know they sold these. Just want to put that there. Don't know what I should open first. That or that? I'm gonna open up this first. That didn't work. What is this? Interesting. All right. Now let's open this. I don't know what the hell that is, but now I'm really curious on what this is. All right. Here we go. G1, their branded box. And again, make sure you guys check out G1 down below. You can use my code, Daily Dose of Fidgets, to get 10% off your entire order. Oh, okay. A PEI spinner. Interesting. Was wondering why it was so light. Actually, let me go ahead and find out the name of the spinner on their site. Alright, so I'm looking at it right now, and it's called the Bad Butterfly Spinner 1.0. And this is in polished PEI. This is actually my first PEI spinner. I've never tried it before. I've been meaning to try it, but I had not had the chance to, and I finally can now. Actually, really excited. Alright, so let's dig into this thing. From what I heard, wow, from what I've heard, PEI spinners can be really good. Alright. There you go. Alright, first I want to go ahead and weigh this thing. I'm guessing like 10 grams or 15. Around there. Maybe 20. Oh, 20. Oh, almost 20. I mean, from the time I've spent holding fidgets, I kind of know what weighs how much, pretty close to the grams. So yeah, well, let's go ahead and give it a first spin. Ooh, that's interesting. Actually, let me bring this light closer. It is interesting. That's my first time trying PEI. I would love to try this thing in Zirc or even titanium. But from what I can say right now, so the way I usually spin spinners, it is I take my middle finger and my thumb, and then my two other fingers, index, and then I spin it this way. So I push it with this one, but I put resistance with my index, and then I let it go, just like that, and it spins. So that is how I do it, and I can rip it really, really good. I'm gonna say that. Wow, okay. But I wonder what this is. I have no idea what this is. All right. And also the other way I do it is I just do it with my middle finger, like this. This was the first way I learned it. And then this way of spinning it, I learned it from Gavin, from Dynamic Inertia. Let me spin it a bit more. I have a theory that if you put a full Sarag bearing here, this thing will scream. Some nice PEI buttons, pretty small. Let me actually, 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright. The battery is dead in this thing, but I think I can still measure these. These buttons are 20mm buttons. As you guys can see on my other spinners, my Modus Works Dynamo thing, it is 24.5. We'll compare them in a second, but yeah, 20mm buttons, not bad. Interesting. All right, let me put it back on. I wonder how much these buttons alone weigh. .04 and 15.17. Got it. I so want to try this in like zirconium, and that would be amazing. The buttons have good clearance from the body, so my fingers don't get like caught on the body when it's spinning. That's a good thing. So the main things I look for is balance on a spinner, which this is, and then I look for comfortability. Does it fit well in my hand, which this does. Like, can I get a good rip the ways I spin spinners, which is this way and also this way. it passes both, and it's really comfortable, passes both ways. It does not wobble at high speeds. There you go, can move it around. Really stable. So far, so good. I mean, I've tried tungsten spinners, titanium, stainless steel, copper, but this is my first PEI. I have tried magnesium as well, as you guys saw from my Motorsaurus Mini Ergo unboxing. But that thing was light, but it made a crazy sound when it was spinning. I think that was due to the bearing and I think just magnesium, that material just makes it really loud. And then yeah, but this is a bit heavier than that magnesium spinner. That was 18, this is 19. And I think I don't mind it. Like, this is a hybrid bearing and it sounds pretty good. It has feedback, but I think if I put a ceramic bearing in here, it would scream. So yeah. Sounds pretty good too, even with I mean, it passes all my things I would want out of a spinner. I think I just may have to give it some more time because PEI is new to me. Because I am used to metal spinners. Let me get some of my bars out here. Actually, let me just go ahead and get my magnesium out. 1 second. Alright, here's my magnesium Mini Ergo. I will show you guys what I mean. So this is a metal slider. I mean spinner, my bad. But it weighs even less than that, which is crazy to think, right? So again, this is gonna be 19.22. This is gonna be 18.57. Now watch this. So this thing has like an all stainless steel ball cages bearing, and then this thing was a hybrid, I think. There you go. Yep. And now look at this. Ready? Basic spinner, I mean the PI spinner, and then the magnesium. This makes a crazy sound. Then this. So now you guys know what I mean. But I mean, first impressions, everything I want out of a spinner this has. But I don't know. I think I'm just not as excited about it as I would be. Because this is my first PI spinner, I'm just getting used to the plastic feel. I don't usually have that on spinners. I usually like metal spinners and stuff like that. But yeah, this is definitely a first. I just have to get used to it. But it just doesn't make sense because this is heavier than the magnesium. But it just feels different in the hand. So yeah, I'm gonna give it like 5-10 minutes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, I just gave it some time, like 10 minutes with this thing. Just a quick, like, get used to it. I'll also do a follow-up review on this thing in a couple weeks. But I mean, I like it. Like, I don't get bored of it. I don't want to put it down. I guess like I don't know. Shape is really good. I guess I would give this thing like a solid, I don't know, 8 out of 10. I don't know, I'm just like a bit off with the plasticky feel. Well, PEI isn't like plastic, just very, very hardened plastic. And it looks much better than just regular plastic, but this is okay. Let me try these on this one. I wonder if these buttons will even fit in the cinema thing. Yep, they do. That looks pretty weird. Wow. Hold on a second. Okay, that's crazy. All right. Wow, this is just... PEI buttons on other spinners are crazy. I love this so freaking much. This is a full swing bearing. This is a hybrid. Full swing bearing on a metal spinner with PEI buttons is amazing. Holy crap. Let me try that on this. This is a full stainless steel. Cage plus ball bearing, I think. Not too sure. Let's see how it does here. Same thing. So much louder. I'm gonna need some time with these things. Alright guys, I'm back. I just tried this thing on my other spinners. I want to try it on the Vader now. God, I'm loving this thing already. Oh. Yeah, man, this thing is amazing. All these buttons are. Don't think they will work on this thing though. These buttons are so damn thick. Look at these things. Oh, damn it, it's still loud. I guess they kind of work. These buttons are amazing. I love them so much. So much. All right, I'm gonna put it back on this thing now. Wow. just because of that and what this thing can do to the buttons, I mean to the other spinners, and how you can make it sound 10 times better, I am giving this thing a 9 out of 10. And I will explain my rating in a second. Once I put these things back together and put them off the screen. Alright, I'm giving this thing a 9 out of 10. The 9 because it's comfortable, it rips easily in all different ways that I spin spinners. It's balanced, doesn't wobble at all. So those are my key things that I look for in a spinner: balance, comfortability, and like, just, is it good to spin, you know? And it passed all those, but the only thing I didn't like about it is why I took that one away is because of just how it feels in your hand. It just feels like plastic. I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm used to like all these metal spinners. Maybe you just gotta give it some time, and then I would change my mind on this thing. But for now, it is a 9 out of 10. I cannot wait to try these buttons on all my other things. Cannot wait. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, I would totally recommend that this thing is worth it just for the buttons, to be honest. it's great, trust me. It will transform your metal spinner, even if it's like a hybrid bearing, the most cheapest bearing. It'll make it sound crazy. Oh my god. But yeah, I have a feeling this will go to a 10 out of 10 once I give it some time. And I think the other good thing about PI, it is light, but it's light enough for when it falls, it won't be like dinged up, if you know what I mean. So it could be like a beater too. This thing's available in copper, PAI, what's this other material? Stainless steel, zirconium, and blasted zirconium. So I'll leave a link to this thing down below. Check it out. Use my code if you're gonna get one of these, but I would recommend it. The PEI is worth it just for the buttons. I don't know about the other metals, but I would definitely buy this just for the button, to be honest. Like I said, it's worth it. Like, it gives me so much more joy spinning this thing with the PEI button. So yeah, alright, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, comment below, and see you guys in the next one.